Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're checking out the top 3 best car vacuum cleaner options that combine power, safety, and convenience to keep your car spotless with less effort. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Abay Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Abay Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed to deliver safe, flexible, and efficient cleaning for everyday vehicle maintenance. Built with a smart chip and an integrated child lock function, it prevents accidental activation when the switch is tapped briefly. This thoughtful safety feature makes the device more secure to use around children while also avoiding unintended power consumption. The vacuum cleaner offers 2 clearly defined operating modes to suit different cleaning needs. To activate the normal mode, the user simply presses and holds the power switch for 3 seconds and then releases it. In this mode, the vacuum operates with lower noise, making it ideal for quick cleanups and removing light dust from seats, dashboards, and other small areas without causing disturbance. For more demanding tasks, the Abay Car Vacuum Cleaner includes a powerful super mode. After starting the vacuum with a 3-second long press, pressing the switch once again activates this mode. The increase in suction is immediately noticeable, allowing the vacuum to pull out stubborn dust and debris trapped deep inside crevices, corners, and hard-to-reach areas of the car interior. By combining intelligent safety protection with adjustable suction modes, the Abay Car Vacuum Cleaner provides a practical and user-friendly solution for keeping car interiors clean. Its simple controls and adaptable performance make it suitable for both light daily cleaning and more thorough detailing when deeper suction is required. Coming in at number 2, we have the Szuk C013 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Szuk C013 Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and versatile handheld cleaning device designed for everyday vehicle maintenance and light household tasks. Built as a wireless unit with a rated voltage of 11.1 volts, it offers convenient portability without the restrictions of power cords, making it easy to use inside cars, garages, or small indoor spaces. This model combines 3 practical functions in one device: vacuuming, blowing or inflating, and exhausting. This multifunctional design allows it to clean dust and debris from car interiors, blow away loose particles from tight corners, or assist with inflation and air circulation tasks. At the core of its performance is an 12-volt high-speed brushless motor capable of reaching up to 100,000 RPM, supported by fully enclosed turbine fan blades that help deliver stable airflow and efficient suction. The Szuk C013 uses a washable HEPA filter, which helps capture fine dust particles while remaining easy to maintain for long-term use. Its shell is made from durable ABS material, providing a balance of strength and lightweight handling. Weighing only 410 grams and measuring 19.5 by 6.8 by 19.5 centimeters, the vacuum is easy to store and comfortable to operate with one hand. Power is supplied by a built-in battery pack using 3 18650 cells with a total capacity of 2,000 mAh at 11.1 V. Charging is handled through a modern Type-C interface rated at 5 volts/1.5 A, ensuring simple and reliable recharging. The vacuum also features 3 selectable power modes: high, medium, and low, allowing users to adjust performance based on the cleaning task. To enhance flexibility, the Szuk C013 comes with a range of accessories, including a brush, flat tube, large nozzle, long rod brush, and a USB charging cable. Together, these features make it a practical and adaptable tool for keeping car interiors clean and well-maintained. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and versatile cleaning solution designed to meet everyday vehicle and household cleaning needs. Built as a handheld wireless device with a rated voltage of 11.1 V, it offers strong performance in a lightweight and portable form, making it easy to use in tight spaces and on the go. This device goes beyond traditional vacuuming by integrating 3 practical functions: vacuuming, blowing or inflating, and exhausting. This multifunctional design allows users to remove dust and debris, blow away particles from hard-to-reach areas, or assist with inflation tasks using the included accessories. At its core is an 11.1 V high-speed brushless motor capable of reaching up to 130,000 RPM, delivering consistent suction power while maintaining efficiency and durability. The Cenrr vacuum cleaner features fully enclosed turbofan blades that enhance airflow and reduce energy loss. Its anti-blocking rotation design helps prevent clogs during operation, while the over-temperature warning adds an extra layer of safety. A high-efficiency air filter is used to capture fine dust particles and can be cleaned and reused, supporting long-term use. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, the vacuum includes a logo breathing light and a clear charging display to indicate power and charging status. Users can switch between high, medium, and low power gears depending on the cleaning task, offering better control over performance and battery usage. Powered by a 7,500 mAh 11.1 volt battery, the device provides reliable runtime and charges via a Type-C 5-volt 2A charging cable. The durable ABS shell keeps the total weight to just 680 grams, ensuring comfortable handling. A complete set of accessories, including brushes, nozzles, a long pole, and a long pole brush, further expands its usability for cars, homes, and small cleaning tasks. Clean smarter, not harder. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more top product reviews.